Hello, my name is Hiroshi Yamazoe. In this video, I will talk about the recent situation of COVID-19 in Japan and a new project that I have planned in around next week. COVID-19 is still widespread today. The number of COVID-19 infected people is increasing all over the world every day. Recently, it seems that the virus is spreading more especially in South America. In Japan, until recently, state of emergency was declared by the government. People were requested to stay at home unless there was a special reason, such as shopping for food or go to work and so on. As I mentioned in other videos, I have been hikikomori for about 10 years, so I'm still very not good at meeting and talking to people, but I like going out. When I was hikikomori, I went out to nature such as the mountains and forests and rivers and so on. I love nature, so it was very painful to be unable to leave the city of this Nagoya where I lived for the last few months. But fortunately, the number of new COVID-19 infections in Japan has decreased significantly, so the emergency declaration has now been lifted. Then the local government is gradually cancelling the self-restraint request to citizens about travel to other prefectures, and now many Japanese businesses have been restarted, and from next month the government is planning a campaign called Go to Travel. This campaign for recommended to domestic travel to people. This is to boost the domestic travel industry in Japan. I don't particularly like the Japanese government. I'm not Japanese government fan, but I think this is a very good thing at this point. In Japan, until recently, citizens were required to refrain from various activities by mutual monitoring by citizens on the internet. They are called self-restraint police who monitoring people's behavior on internet. If you were traveling domestically, you may be attacked by the self-restraint police on the internet. It was a staff society, but now situation in Japan has changed. Soon as the government will encourage about domestic travel, then the grounds for self-restraint will disappear and the self-restraint police will have to also disappear. Then I can domestic travel without any problems. And according to the news, the development of vaccines is being progressing, and a large amount will be provided to world in around September in this year. So we are seeing some bright signs of this virus crisis now. And in Japan, in this month, Aichi Prefecture, where I live, has lifted the request to refrain traveling to Gifu and Mie prefectures. It because they need to will be made the early recovering of tourism industries. So I would like to take this opportunity to go on a domestic trip in these prefectures, and I will show you this trip on YouTube. I am preparing and planning that trip now. Probably I leave between this week and next week. In the next video, I would like to talk about more detailed my travel plans. So I will talk about my plan soon in next video. So thank you for watching. I will continue to post various videos more and more. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel. So thank you and stay healthy. Goodbye.